Filohome Smart Wi-Fi Switch. Single pole smart switch compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. Double gang switch, great for space saving. No hub is required. This switch requires a neutral wire. Does have a timer and countdown feature. Includes 4 wire nuts and a couple screws and your user manual. First, you go ahead and remove your old switch. Then we go ahead and wire up your new switch. Make sure you do have the white wire. And you can connect a second one if you'd like. Control with your smartphone app or tablet from anywhere at any time. 10 amp max with 100 to 240 volts and a max power of 2400 watts. 2.4 gigahertz wireless frequency only. Hey Google, turn off master room. Hey Google, turn on master room.